Yes, it is possible to merge your product ASINs so that way the reviews combine, everything combines, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it in this video. And a good example is if you have products that are exactly the same but separate listings. So you can see this item right here. It is a SureFlow pipe strainer, same exact listing. And then we're going to go to the next listing. And again, this is exactly the same. Different listings, same products. And then you can have these reviews technically merged. And wouldn't you want to use the one that's 7,000 reviews? Definitely. And it's totally possible. So the summary is that the reviews and your FBA inventory combines into one ASIN. Now, before you do this, make sure you do take screenshots of your FBA inventory. Take screenshots of all of the reviews on the actual product. So that way, if the reviews don't merge or their inventory doesn't merge, you have proof that you're in what your inventory was before. Now you're going to go to Google and type in merge Amazon listings. There's going to be a link right here that literally says merge duplicate product pages. Once you're there, you're going to put your target ASIN in and your source ASIN right here. Now, the target ASIN is the keeper. So the ASIN that you want to keep and you want it to have all the traffic, sales history, reviews, and it remains on Amazon, that's the target. And the source is the one that's pretty much the duplicate, right? So just keep that in mind at the end of the day. And when can I request an ASIN merge? Make sure that both products are actively selling. They're exactly the same. All product attributes match exactly, and you have active listings for the ASINs, and then you can merge it, right? Now, just try to make it super easy for Amazon to merge it. This tool might not work right away, and that's when you do need to actually contact Amazon. Now, if you want to contact Amazon, you want to get escalated to the catalog team. So make sure you tell them it's a catalog issue when you contact them, but you definitely want to contact them. Go in the top right-hand corner, get help and resources, and just show them the listings. If you can talk to a real person and you say, hey, look at both of these products, aren't they the same? And they may tell you to change one thing, and you change one thing while you're on the call, if they're good, and then they can do the merge for you. So that's going to be huge, but the only people that can do it are going to be the catalog team and up, right? So the captive team, catalog team, brand registry team, which is super lazy, but try to get in front of the catalog team if this merge doesn't specifically work right away. But that's exactly how to do it in a nutshell. I gave you the basics and you know what to do now to merge your product ASINs. If you need help with merging your ASINs, getting those reviews shared, variations, anything Amazon, we specialize in design, infringement, SEO, ads, all of the above. We are Amazon experts as well as consultants, and the link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.